Need a great idea for a fundraiser? One that not only can bring in funds immediately for your school, but an ongoing basis all year. We're talking about coffee, but not just any coffee. It's one that pays. Not only that, it's healthy. Made with 100% certified Ganoderma extract, referred by the Chinese as the miraculous king of herbs because of its many healing properties. What do parents wake up to every morning? Coffee. What's the most consumed beverage in the world behind water? Coffee. Forget about the chocolates, cookies, candies, and wrapping paper that's mostly a one-time purchase. And raise money for your school or organization with a product that your supporters will buy again and again. They can even set it up to auto-ship every month, so you save time and resources by not having to pick up money and order forms all the time from your sponsors. Here's some benefits to fundraising with healthy coffee, including 0 inventory to order, free website for each school or organization, shipping and distribution from the company directly, easy tracking of orders with built-in back office, multiple ways to earn revenue through many levels of payouts. Sell by the cup at your live events to earn between 50 to 500% profit. Promote health and wellness with your fundraising team. Most moms nowadays are getting more health conscious about the foods and beverages they're putting in their bodies. Give them the opportunity to raise funds for your school, church, team, group, or nonprofit in a healthy and fun new way. For more information on how you can start your own fundraising campaign, contact Gia, your coffee fundraising specialist. She'll go over each of the following steps to get you started on your first fundraising campaign. Here's what you'll need. Choose your campaign organizer. Determine your financial goals for the fundraiser. Set a date to start your campaign. Figure out the number of participants in your fundraiser. Secure your Organo Gold fundraising form. Complete and review the nonprofit free sign-up forms and DBA form. Once that's complete, you're ready to start your first fundraiser. Call Gia today to set up a consultation where she can answer all of your questions and get you started. 949-413-8869 or visit us online at www.mycoffeepaysyou.com.